Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, today, in honor of Chinese New Year, I want to show you guys how to draw a koi fish. And it looks like the only way I'm going to be able to draw this is with my special guest, Miami. And this is my cat, Miami, who apparently wants to draw the koi fish with us. So we will see how this goes. So to start off with our koi fish, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down like this. Apparently that's a fun line. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up like this for the eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down for the eyebrow. And then right over here, I'm going to make another line that's going to curve up and down for the other eyebrow. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go up, down, and then kind of back up again like this for the mouth. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve for the inside of the mouth. And then I'm going to draw a little line right here that's just going to curve down and then back up for the other part of the mouth. Now, starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out like this and then back up for a little whisker. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up for the head. And then I'm going to draw another line up here that's going to curve for the head. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm Then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve down right here. Now, this next part is going to be a little tricky, and hopefully when you guys are drawing this, you don't have a cat right in your way. So on the next part, I'm going to draw the actual body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and back like this. And then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to kind of curve up, and it's going to kind of come to the same direction right there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add the fin. So I'm going to make a little curved line like this. And then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up. And then another line that's just going to go down and up for the fin, or flippers, I should say. One right here. And then one more right here. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw some little curved lines to connect them. Now, up here for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come back like this. And then I'm going to make another one that's just going to kind of do the same thing. Now, on the back of here, we want to give him the little top fin. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then down like this. Then I'm going to draw another one that goes up and down like this. And then I'm going to draw one more that's going to go up and down like that. Then in between these, I'm just going to connect them with a little curved line, and I'm going to draw one more little curve right there. Then I'm just going to draw some little lines right here just to connect them. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little half circle for the other fin, or flipper I should say. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and back. One right here that's just going to kind of curve out and come back. One right here. And then one more right here. Then I'm going to start with a little curved line here. One right here, and then one right here like this. Then on the other side of this, I'm just going to make another little line that goes out and then kind of comes back up for another whisker. Now, we have our basic koi fish. Now we want to add some of the details. So starting right here, I'm going to make a big circle shape inside the eye. Then I'm going to draw another one inside. And then just one more right here. And then I'm going to color in the circle right here. Now, on the tail here, we want to add some little lines. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw some long curved lines just to add some different little details on the fishtail. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to add some kind of long lines just to kind of make some little curves on the tail. Now, one of the final things we want to do is we want to add the scales. Now, scales are always something that is kind of tricky, so hopefully this little technique will help you guys out. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw just some big bumps that go all the way along the head. And I'm going to draw them right to about here. Now, when I start my next one, I want to jump from here to here. I don't want to put them in between. So I'm going to go here and then just kind of jump over the little fins. And I'm going to do that same thing all the way along here. And then I'm going to put one more there. Then I'm just going to continue doing this pattern all the way up until I get to the end of the fish or the tail. And then you also want to put a couple in here just to kind of add some extra little scales there. So I'm going to fast forward this part real quick, and I'm going to add scales all the way up to the top. Now, once you're done with the scales, then you can kind of add any other little details that you want in here. Now, traditionally, a lot of these koi fish might have like a little lotus flower or some little wavy lines around it for water. There's lots of different things you can do. But I'm just going to leave it as a plain koi fish right here. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you to my little assistant Miami over here as well. So keep watching and make sure to subscribe.